Welcome. So I'm going to discuss about the farm laws which were passed in our constitution, and let's figure out 5 goods and 5 bads about the same. So basically the goods that the law can possibly give, and these are assumptions, okay? I'm totally giving my judgment about the same. So the 5 goods that the law can give are: the entire agriculture sector may be taken by the corporates, means taken as to means they may channelize, they may structure, and they can now maybe put the chain of management into place, which may be a good return indeed, and there may be a good intent by the government. The government may seemingly want to actually plan something for the agricultural sector that we are currently into and bring reforms and changes to the same. Thirdly, we can say the agricultural sector does not give equal distribution to all the farmers out there. We have seen farmers with very less acres of land and hardly manage to earn a living. So maybe this law could bring some changes and structure planning for the lower sections of the farmer who are currently present. And lastly, the law may be a good intent as a whole by the government for the agricultural sector that we are into. It is the most unstructured yet most valuable structure that we are, and maybe the government is trying to figure out some ways, some channels through which it can provide the maximum benefit to the farmers of our nation. Okay, now coming to the second part, the bads. As we have seen, the protest is running from last year, and the farmers from the Punjab and state of Haryana have been protesting in the borders of Delhi. It has been a huge protest. History will remember this protest. We had not seen such a kind of a protest over 70 years and such a kind of a reunion by the farmers of our nation. So why are they protesting? This leads to the other half of my video, which is the bads. As mentioned by the Chief Minister of Delhi, that the law does not give any benefit. Whether asked to the current government ministers that what the law gives as a benefit, they constantly keep saying that the law will allow farmers to sell the goods all over the country. Well, the scenario is not that simple. We have mandis. We have mandi structures in our agricultural reforms where farmers go and sell their produce in a mandi for a minimum selling price, that is MSP. If the farmer is not selling there and he wants to sell it outside, usually the scene is they get 50% of it, what the MSP provides, or maybe higher, or maybe not close to the MSP, what the MSP offers in general. So the benefit which the ministers keep telling about, that the law will give benefit of selling the goods through the nation, it is not as simple as it seems on paper. Secondly, there may be corporate giants who want to actually make the agricultural sector into their hands and want to maximize the money that they're investing into. Well, the wealth all goes into the shareholders and not the ones who actually produce the goods, that is the agricultural produce. So the farmers maybe not be earning to the full of their capacity, and the corporate giant who want to actually intervene and interfere into the lands that they own, and actually the law provides rights to these people for allowing this to happen, would be a really downside for the farmers. And lastly, if the farmers keep protesting about the same, if it does not give any benefit, if we are not allowed to get the MSP that we are already getting, then we should listen to the farmers. And another bad side of the law is it says it will give you a lot of benefit. If you say benefit, they say the lands would not go. How is it a benefit? The lands already belong to the people and already belong to the farmers, right? And they say you will be allowed to get the MSP. Already they are getting the MSP. What is the benefit? The benefit is actually coming to be a non-figure in the entire scenario, and vice versa, the goods may be unidentified at the moment. But to my comparison, I'll come to the end of the video. maybe the goods or the bads. It's the farmers who own the agricultural sector, right? And for their wellness and for their goodness, if they want something to happen, we should listen to them and follow accordingly. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up. And I'm a beginner to this. I'm trying to exploring talks which I can share with you and just have a conversation in general. I love talking, and I'll keep posting such talks in the future times too. Thanks for watching.